Hello and welcome to another how-to video. My name is DAITECH, CTO at DVS, and please make sure before you go any further into this lovely informative video that you hit that subscribe button. It's really important so we know you guys are engaging with the content. It lets us know that you appreciate it, what you want. Leave a comment, share if you want, but please do keep engaging with all our social media content. And before we go any further, I would like to invite you guys, if you're in the UK and you want to see some of the latest Hikvision product range, the very latest integrations, new products and some of their roadmap, do make sure you sign up in the Hikvision Insight shows, which are touring the country in a couple of weeks. And there's 5 or 6 locations that you guys can pick that are local to you, and you can go meet the team. The DVS guys will be there. Get in contact with your DVS sales rep where they'll add you to the and personally meet and greet you at the venue and show you and introduce you to all of the lovely Hikvision new product range, integrations, etc. And you can also meet some of the product managers. So please do get yourself logged in to the Hikvision Insight Autumn Roadshows. Really excited to see what they're going to bring to the party. So what have we got today? Yep, it's a table full of tools. This is my element. You guys know I'm an engineer at heart. Absolutely love tools like most of you guys, and I take my toolship very responsibly. That said, one of my favorite tool makers is Klein Tools and Super Rod. So one of our premium partners here at DVS is the Super Rod and Klein tool range, and you can see here pictured on this side of the table is some of the lovely equipment that we've already featured in lots of videos previously, from laser distance measurers, tape measures, crimpers for RG59 and satellite cable, Cat5 and Cat6 crimpers. We do the crimps, whether they're Cat5, Cat6, shielded even. We do the lovely SuperCam inspection camera. This alone is worth every single penny that you will spend on it. We do the Gecko gripper. We do the Velcro tie. So if you're using Cat6 and need to use Velcro ties to tie the cable together, we do a Velcro tape dispenser with the belt loop. We do the cable wire puller from Klein, so pull cables through cavities, etc., along with lots of other things. These fantastic Klein tool bags, so like made from ballistic Cordura material, so they're very hard wearing indeed. And again, like sort of plastic bottoms for water to prevent water ingress. All the tools can be organized and fitted into there, extremely hard wearing, and you will look the absolute business when you attend the site. Very professional product. I wish they came with green stitching. They don't. They use the orange, but maybe one day we'll get a custom made set. So again, please do go check out that if you haven't. We've actually given away a couple of these tool bags recently, and we'll see if we can do the same in the next few weeks. So what else have they brought to the party? So they have bought a brand new digital multimeter. So I'm just going to open it from here. So brand new, so digital multimeter, guys. So it's a multimeter auto ranging. That's really important. If you're using a very cheap multimeter, you know how frustrating that is to change the dial when you're measuring voltage or ampage, etc. When it's auto ranging, you just don't need to touch it. So it makes your job very, very much easier than the standard dial settings. And you can see here, once I get it out, lovely hard wearing like rubber case, when I can actually get it out. And you can see it's got a battery pack on the back. You can see the cables going on the side. Lovely digital multimeter. It's off at the minute, so turn that on. And again, it comes with this lovely pouch to put it in to keep it safe, which will go lovely inside your Klein tool bag. It's also got a belt loop accessory. It has the batteries, the test leads, manual, and a temperature. Not many people use the temperature, but it's there if you need it. So again, very simple to use. Just simply pull out the plastic lugs. And again, there's lots of different accessories with the crocodile clips, etc. These are the probes that come with this meter. So it's a auto ranging slim digital multimeter. We have the full range multimeter in stock. These new ones actually fit on the side. So I can put it in positive and common like that. So they fit on the side. They've got the probes here, and they can be removed to make the probe. So it's got a probe cover, so full height exposed probe, or just the indent to give you that added protection. And it does all of the standard stuff an engineer will use. It's more cost effective than the the full range multimeter that we also have in our price list. So great for day-to-day use for any engineer. So it's got the voltage, AC, DC, continuity, resistance, milliamps, ampage up to 10 amps, and hertz, and temperature if you need it. And it's got the min-max range, hold, etc. And it is auto ranging. Lovely, lovely display. I will power this up in a minute. I need a set of screwdrivers, but I will go and power that to show you the display, because I do believe they're so well made, these products. Honestly, they're so well made. I'm not just saying it, we do sell them. They're definitely worth you guys getting and having a look at it. Again, very cost effective, but very good product indeed. I don't just say that. I wouldn't sell you or try to offer a product that I myself wouldn't be comfortable to use. And again, absolutely love it. So if you use another brand, the yellow covered multimeter, more cost effective, same options, and in my opinion, a little bit more ruggedized. So definitely an option you guys can look out for. We have the knee pads. So like the lightweight knee pads. So again, if you're doing a lot of work in attics on, you know, flooring, dressing cables in, etc., they're padded sort of lycra material knee pads. Slip them over your clothing, and that will give you the added protection on your knees. If you're like me and you're on your knees, or we're on your knees constantly, you know, like most of you doing installation work, these will come as a much valuable asset to any tool bag. So again, ask your sales guy, we can get these in for you if needed, and it complements the whole Klein tool range. So cost effective, but very high quality. We also do the new chrome tool, so nice black chrome tool, and other chrome tools are available of course, but this one is very well made. You can just feel with the quality of this how well made it is. So if you're crimping Cat 5 and Cat 6 into punch down terminals, this is the perfect tool for you. And it has the standard, so it has a belt loop effectively, and it also has the, if I can get them out, that is, you just push this little tab in and you get these little tools, and then there's one on the other side there. Push the little tabs in, so you've got the hook to pull the cables back out, and you've got the blade to make sure they're pushed in correctly and to separate the cables should you need it. Most people are happy just to use the crimp down. So you put it in, crimp it down, very high quality, very precise, very sharp blade. So you shouldn't have any of those little niggly bits left over. So again, a nice little Klein punch down tool. And again, with something as essential as a chrome punch down tool, it's definitely worth you spending a little bit more money on a quality tool, because most of the weaknesses that we find are from the crimps themselves, the RJ45 crimps or the punch down terminals. Using high quality tools will ensure you give the best possible connection that you can, you know, providing you've made it up correctly. And there is also a sensor on off little blade here, little toggle switch effectively, and you can just move that back and forth, and it's locked it in now, see? So yeah, nice and simple. Yeah, the Klein tool, perfect. And the other one I'm really excited about is this digital level. So again, spirit levels, etc. This is like a digital spirit level. There's a few floating around on the market. With this, I'm going to open it right up. It comes with its own Cordura carry pouch. So again, in here the batteries are in there and the manual. So get the batteries out. So handy to have these in a nice pocket-sized tool. I need a little screwdriver. Give me 2 seconds, guys. I should have got the screwdriver ready. I'm going to keep talking. And I do have a screwdriver here. So we're going to quickly put the batteries in. It's got a magnetic base, so if you're putting it onto any sort of steel structure, it's got magnets on there to hold it in place so it doesn't slip. Make sure I put this in correctly. Simply, the batteries do come with it. That magnet's strong. Take off the cover, and then we're going to turn it on. And you can see here, I'll bring it closer. We'll use the Hikvision DVR box. You can see there what that looks like, and you can see as I rotate it, it gives you an angle. So if I put it on this box here, nearly level, 0.1 degree out. That's not too bad. And as I rotate the box upward, it gives me an angle either way. And from there, you can use that information to do angle cuts, etc. There's 90 degree or 180 degree. You can have an alarm on there, like I said. And just to summarize some of the functions on there, there's a digital level with programmable angles. So you can set the alarm for that when that angle is reached or exceeded. Strong magnets, a V-groove for conduit and pipe. So it sits lovely in a conduit or a pipe there, if you need that. Pre-programmed selectable pitch setting, dual axis level with a bullseye. Lovely. And again, I can change it using, so it's now at 100 degrees. And again, as I do that, whoop, what a brilliant piece of kit. 180 degrees effectively flipped on his head. You can see there. Fantastic. Love this little guy. Really cost effective, but it'll add a lot of value to your installations. If you do tray work, conduit, trunking, angle cuts, etc., then this is something you should definitely look at. A much appreciated, I'll just turn this off, a much appreciated addition to any Klein tool bag. And again, with the multimeter, just quickly put the batteries in because it's important to show you it working, to show you that actually there's a replaceable fuse in there, 2 fuses. So if the fuses go, they are accessible and replaceable, which is always a lovely thing. But while I'm talking, don't forget, Hikvision Insight Roadshow, please do speak to your DVS sales rep and they will register you. Okay, so going back to this multimeter here, you can see auto ranging. Again, if I want to measure voltage, I can do continuity, so open circuit, and then if I touch the two together, same as any meter, look. Perfect. And then you've got, you know, resistance, diode checking, temperature. Such a cool little unit. And this really cost effective, very small in comparison to an iPhone. It's really small. Lovely addition, ruggedized orange case, like I said. So there, a selection of some of the tools that we've now really started to expand. You know, we're an engineering company. We want you guys to make use of the engineering tools that we offer because they are tried and tested, and it's a great brand. Yes, any tool is investment, but it's an investment worthwhile. It'll give you a big return on your investment, hopefully, if you use the correct tool. Other than that, we hope you enjoyed the brief introduction to the new Klein Tools range. Do get in contact with your DVS sales rep. If there's something you want to know more about, or if there's a product here that you want more information on or pricing, do get in contact with us. Other than that, we hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you at the Hikvision Insight Roadshows. Other than that, take care and see you next week.